Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play When I Come Around by Green Day. Subscribe to my channel and I'll keep bringing you more videos, okay? Let's get started. All right, to begin with, this song is tuned down a half a step, meaning it's 1 fret lower, so we got D sharp, G sharp, tuned down one step. Okay, so that's the progression there. So it's going to start on this G chord. You want to hit the E string and give it this nice bassy sort of a. So that's going to be a G chord. You're going to bar the 3rd fret. Put your ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string. Your pinky on the 5th fret of the D string. And then your middle finger is going to go on the G string on the 4th fret. So and you're going to move down to this D chord. It's a bar chord. You're going to lay your finger across the 5th fret. And you're going to play the A string down. So you're going to bar that, and then you're going to lay this finger and cover up these 3 strings here. You're going to cover up the D, the G, and the B string. You can slide it all up 2 frets to the 9th, to the 7th, to the 7th and the 9th, 7, 9 on the. You're going to lift that finger up. And that's going to be a C chord. That's going to be a bar on all the way across the 8th fret. You're going to put your ring finger on the 10th fret of the A and your pinky on the 10th fret of the D string. And then you're going to put your middle finger on the G string on the 9th fret. And that's the chord progression. Then it goes into the chorus is going to be. And that's going to be an A chord. And you just need to bar this up here. And you're going to play from the A string down. This is going to be a C chord. It's going to be a bar on the 3rd fret. Your ring finger is going to go on the 5th fret of the D string, and your pinky is going to go on the 5th fret of the G string. Then back to this. And that's the lead, and it's pretty easy, and I'll show you how to play it. You're gonna bar these two strings here, the B and the E. On the second fret, you're gonna slide up to the third fret. You're gonna go. So all it is you're picking up. You're going to pick up on these two strings twice. And you're going to put your pinky on the 5th fret on the E string here. You just do that twice, 2 times. And then it ends on the 5th fret on the B string. And then from that, you jump back on that A chord. It ends on that C chord down. So it's a good song to play along with to the song. Some simple chords, some bar chords, a little lead that I think beginners could play. And if you can learn how to throw it in at the right moment, at the right spot of the song, it's pretty cool to be able to play along with the song. So my recommendation is to learn the song and play along with the song from the beginning to the end. And it'll make a good player out of you. Green Day's a lot of fun to play. So anyway, subscribe to my channel and have a nice day. Thank you.